how to convert a PDF into Google Documents. This is what I am going to show you in this video. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. In order to do that, you need to follow these steps. Open the Google Chrome browser, click on the apps, go to Google Docs, open a blank document or any existing document, and from the file click open. Here you need to click upload. You can drag the file here or you can browse that file. Here is our file. We'll just need to select that, click open, and by default the Google Chrome browser will open this as a PDF file. But if you want to convert it into Google Documents, here on the top you will see this option of open with. If you don't see that, you will have to take your mouse on the top center and then you will see this option of open with. You need to click that, and here you will get the option of open Google Docs, and now your PDF file has been converted into Google Documents. So this is how you can change or convert the PDF into Google Documents. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you like this video, hit the like button, share and subscribe.